Instagram has updated Reels to allow you to add more than one audio track. In the past, you could only add one audio track to Reels. Now, Instagram has updated Reels to allow up to 20 audio tracks to be added to a Reel. To do this, it's really simple. All you have to do is create a Reel with your phone or use one that's already in your gallery. Once you're on your Reel, what you do is edit video at the bottom left. Once you've edited the video, then you can click Add Track. Click on Add Track and then scroll down and find the track you want. Once you've done that, hit Done at the top right, and then you've got your one audio track in your Reel. Now, all you have to do is add track again at the bottom, and then it brings up your options to select another audio track, and you can select another one. And what that then does once you've done that, it stacks those audio tracks together so they'll play them pretty much at the same time, which might be a nice option if you want to stack your music. But ideally, what you would like to do, or what you may do, is run them sequentially so they're in line or in time with your video, especially if you want to make different cuts on your Reel. So what you would do is edit the audio, and put the track, the length you want in line with your video. And once you've done that, then you can click Done and then share your Reel as you would normally. I hope that's been helpful. Hope this little extra piece of Instagram information is helpful to you. If it has, why not give the video a like? Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Cheerio.